How can one small cube change the way you think about recovery? Hi everyone, welcome back to Pine Health. Today I will show you the RecoveryTherm cube from Therabody. What is this and is it worth buying? Let's explore. What is RecoveryTherm cube? This is a small reusable device that provides instant heat, cold, and even contrast therapy. So why is such a device needed? Imagine a portable therapy device that fits right into your bag and is ready to use wherever you are. Think about those long days at the office. Your neck and back hurts from sitting for too long, and the RecoveryTherm cube may help you with the heat therapy to relieve stiffness without the need to microwave a heating pad. You can simply secure it with a cube strap frame and straps and continue working. That is really easy. Or imagine that your child falls in the park and begins to bruise and swell, but of course you don't have ice under your hands. I also think this is cool for athletes before, after, and even during competition, as well as for those who train in the gym. Let's figure it out whether it is as convenient as useful as manufacturer promises. I like that this device is quite easy to use. There are only two buttons, which can be used without instruction. Weight: quite light without fixing straps, like 345 grams and 450 with all accessories. Temperature range: warm and cold, each mode has 3 different levels. As stated, for the cold mode, the temperature is for the first LED light is 16 degrees, for the second 12, and for the third 8. And for the heating mode, the first LED light is 35 degrees, second 39, and third 43. As we can see, the declared temperature is almost the same as stated, and the cube also changed temperature quite quickly. There is also a contrast therapy mode. It's 20 minutes of alternating cold and heat, which is really good in injury recovery. By the way, this cube is convenient to apply both on top of clothing and directly on the skin. Charging: the device is recharged via USB from one side and Type-C from the other, which I find not very convenient for myself personally, because it is more convenient for me to use Type-C from both sides. So, is RecoveryTherm cube worth it? Of course, it's up to you. I decided to keep it for myself and I'm already actively using it. Have you tried RecoveryTherm cube? Do you think such a device is useful or a waste of money? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips. See you next time.